Hi, this is part 2 to sets. I just came across this, so kind of gotta add it in here. So say I have a set right here, right? This is where you could denote a set instead of like, I think in the last video what I did was, um, originally I had a list, and then from the list I created a set, but yeah, I totally forgot to show you guys how to do it without, doing it that way. So you just need the squiggly brackets instead of the straight ones, and then yeah, you just add whatever you need to. But if you have a set of strings, when you do x.pop, it randomly removes something. Let me show you guys. See, so it removed, at first it removed 1, then it removed 3. So let me print x. Right, now I'm gonna add some more elements into it. So I'm gonna do x.add, I don't know, 4, 5, 6, that one. I'm gonna add another one. Oh, it didn't work. There you go. Okay, so x.add, hello, just so I can have more things in there. Okay, whatever. So now when I print x, let's see what's in there. Okay, now I'm gonna do x.pop. Again, it's gonna remove something random. I removed the number 2. No, that wasn't too random. Then I removed 45. And then let's see something else. Hello. Oh, well, it's like it's coming out in order, but I don't know. Like at first it was doing something different. So when I print X, there's nothing in there, right? Yeah. Alright, let's create another one. Let's see what happens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I do z.pop, it removed 5. So you see, it's random in a sense, but then sometimes it's not random. Cause like here you saw that it removed 2, 45, hello, and 45, 6, 7, 8, and that was all in order. But when I do it here, it's not in order. Now I remove 6. Let's see. Then it went to 2. So you see, it's not. I wouldn't call this like a reliable data structure when you're trying to remove things. Yeah. So those are sets really. Yeah. All right.